Steak 'em.
Yeah, man, we're back.
Take two.
Take two.
All right. The first time we did this, it was good. Don't get me wrong. But it didn't have much flavor. It needed a little bit of flavor.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about that? No, you don't get to eat no steak 'em.
Yeah, you don't need no Steak Ums, Leroy.
We're just gonna put a little bit on there.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little bit more after we stir it up, and we'll get back to you.
All right. All right. Got the meat all nice and shredded.
Yep.
And add the cheese shortly.
See, what we can do is we can keep cooking it off, because right now we got some of that grease in
Oh,
it.
yeah, make sure. Yeah, we're going to cook that off for a while.
Yeah, so.
So we'll see you soon.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. I don't want to be showing everybody like I'm a big old grease eater or nothing, but yeah, it's hard to get it out, and it doesn't cook off like you get the hamburger
Like bison.
and the bison. You don't even have to
grass-fed.
drain it or nothing, because
Yeah,
eventually if you cook
cooks
it long
off.
enough, it just cooks off. This ain't happening with no steak 'em.
Nope.
See this how I do it? All right.
Get it at an angle with the pan. Okay, two more. Oh, wow, yeah. We've done this with anything that we fry, basically, like hot dog, anything we fry up.
I'll probably need some more.
Oh, I'll be right back. All right.
All right, so that's about 3 gobs of paper towel.
Yeah.
That's stuff that you don't need to put in your belly.
Nope.
I know I got some good. My coat's good. Good enough. I don't need this. All right. So now let's see what we're looking at. See, it's not that bad now.
Much better.
Looks like an hamburger all of a sudden. All right, check it out. What we're gonna do, what we didn't do last time. Where's my cheese assistant?
Oh, I'll be right back because I'm also the cameraman.
All right, here's the part we didn't show last time. Oh,
Yeah.
we didn't even do this last time.
Oh, yeah.
How much do you think you need?
Enough.
Let's go crazy.
I like cheese.
We're gonna have 3 sandwiches out of this. Me and the wife and the dad.
Yeah, everybody gets some.
Yeah. All right. So I got it on low right now. I might need to speed it up a little bit. We'll see. But yeah. We're gonna get this all stirred up in there, and you're not even gonna be able to tell that there's cheese. Except for it's gonna look really cheesy, probably.
Oh, man.
I'll turn this back up. I'm on low right now. I'm going back up.
All right.
All right. We'll see what it looks like when it's all melted together.
Yup. Ooh, look at that.
Look at that. Look at the cheese is almost disappearing. A
Yeah.
bit more stirring going on, but if you notice, only ruined 1 pan. But it's okay. If you have those non-stick pans, you'll do just fine.
Yeah, so only 1 pan was harmed in the making of this film.
That's all.
Yeah.
All right.
We're going to get it breaded up. Look at how that's melted very nicely.
It's almost there. We is there.
Almost. All right. Be right back. All
Ready?
right. Yep.
Here we go.
Like it? Here's the sandwich. What do you think? Thumbs up.
I'll take the cheese and the meat.
Nice.
We gotta do version 3.
Okay.
Onions.
Oh, yeah, we need onions. I can't wait. It's going to be epic. Yep. Well,
Thanks for watching our fun afternoon lunch.
yeah. It's time to feed Leo now because he goes crazy with the smell of Steak Ums.
Yeah, when he smells it, he goes, mine, where's mine?
Yep. Meow, meow, meow. We're going to go deliver Dad's his. Thanks for watching. Later.